Hey you guys, I just wanted to show you some of my lip gloss kit packaging ideas. It's just a couple or two, as my daughter says, a couple means two, different ideas that I use to send out my lip gloss kits. So I won't really do a voiceover for this video. I'm just really going to show you guys how I package them. If you guys would like me to go through a whole video in regards to what I use specifically and what everything is, I can do that. Just let me know. But this is just a quick video showing you how I package them and send them out. Hope you like it. Well, you guys, that is about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Again, this was just a short, quick video showing you guys how I package out my lip gloss kits and get them sent off to you guys. If you guys are interested in getting your lip gloss business started, I have lip gloss base, lip gloss tubes, the 15 milliliter, squeeze tubes available, along with pigments and flavoring oils, all on my Etsy store at Kobe's Kisses. You can also follow me on Instagram at Kobe's Kisses to stay updated with all my launching and discounts. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe below. Bye.